Welcome to my channel Simply Learn. Please like, share and subscribe this video so that it can help everyone all around the world. So today I'm going to tell you how you can repair a snapped headphone. It was broken by mistake and now I need to fix it. So let's see how we can fix it. So before starting we need some stuffs. So let's see what the things we have to take. First, a normal headband, you can purchase this from the market. Then forceps and electrical tape. You can use colorful tapes if you want. Scissors, a lighter. It can be helpful during the process. Now, take the headphones and open it like this and take out this band. Do the same with the another one. Now you have taken out both the plastic bands. Now just throw it, we're not gonna need them. Now you take the hairband which you have purchased from the market. It's a simple band, the girls usually used to wear it. Now what we have to do here, we have to put this hairband in the holes of the speakers. So you can file these sides if they do not fit inside, but in my case they are actually fitting in perfectly, so I'm not gonna do anything. Most important thing, you need a super glue, Fevistick, to stick all the things as fast as possible. Now fix it here like this. And stick it with a super glue, Fevistick. And of course be careful, because if your hands are stick, then you probably need a doctor. So carefully stick the hairband in the hole. Now cover the part with the plastic part we have taken out earlier. Now do the same process with the another speaker. Now see, it's complete, it is stiff, and now it's not gonna break. Well, here you can, as a extra protective measure, you can apply a tape over the hairband. And if your friend sees, then they're gonna mock that, oh, you have used a girl's hairband to repair your headphones. So you can use any other tape or colorful tape, but in my case I have used black electrical wire tape. So as you wish, you can make use of different color tapes. Now by covering this, the joint will also be protected and no one can recognize that it's a real headphone part or it's a headband. We are heating the hairband with this lighter to bend it in our desired shape. I mean, if it was quite loose, so after heating and bending it, it will come tight on my head. So this thing you can do if the headphones are coming loose on your head. Now see, they are quite tight. Now we are ready to go. So hope that this video helped you, and if you also encounter a problem of broken headphones, you can also repair them by watching this video. Thank you for watching.